We know there's so many of you out there who want to make money online, but you don't want to invest any money or you don't exactly know where to go. This is your lucky day. In today's video, we are going to be showing you a strategy that's free for all, extremely quick and easy to do, and you can even do this on the side. We left no stone unturned just to make sure that we discover today's great method that's going to pay you $2.50 for only 30 seconds of work. We even did the hardest part for you so that you won't have to go through it anymore. This method is supposed to be available worldwide, but you're going to have to try it out yourself to see if it really does, and then let us know in the comments down below how it goes. We made sure that today's method will be as easy as any of our other videos so that you all guys will be able to really enjoy it and actually get something from it. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so that you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The very first step to today's method is to log into your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, then we suggest that you create one before proceeding with our method for today, because you're going to need it. Now, the second thing that you're going to do is open up a new tab, type in crowdfireapp.com and hit enter on that. This is what you're going to see next. Basically, we're going to be doing social media management for other people, and if you're already thinking about it, no, you don't need social media for our method for today. Anyhow, this website was made for the people who don't have much time on their hands. The way that we will be using it is entirely different. Now, you can read more about this website if you want to know more on here, but we won't be getting into that too much since that's irrelevant to the way that we are going to be putting this website to use. And that's exactly why we need you to pay attention and make sure that you catch on to everything that we are going to say. Now, we want you to scroll down to the bottom part of the page and click on affiliates/referrals. So yes, we will be promoting this website as an affiliate, but believe it or not, we won't be using a single social media platform to accomplish that. This strategy is unique and different, and you're going to understand why in a few moments. Now, as you can see, it says refer and earn up to $420 for every customer. Invite anyone to join Crowdfire and we'll give you 35% of all payments they make in the first year. $420 is insanely huge, and you better trust that $420 can go a long way. Here are some amazing things about Crowdfire. There's a 35% generous commission. You can earn in cash. It is free to join. They have quick payouts, unlimited earnings on here, and easy tracking and reports. So how this works is that you first sign up and get your referral link, and then you share and promote your link, and the more you promote your link, the more you earn. And lastly, when they spend, you earn 35% of every single payment your customers make, even while you're asleep. So even when you're doing absolutely nothing, even when you're sleeping, if your customer gets a payment, you are getting immediately 35% from that, and that is quite huge, and we will be showing you the computations later on so you can see what to expect. Now, how much can you earn? You can earn as much as you want to. There's no limit on the number of people you can refer and earn from. That means truly unlimited earnings. You earn on every single payment made by your referred customer. You share your referral link, your customer signs up to a monthly VIP plan, which is $99.99 per month, you can earn 35% every single month for the first year. So that's a cool $420 from a single customer. That's only for one customer, alright? Imagine what you can earn if you refer 100 customers. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now the next thing that we want to show you guys is how much money exactly could you be making. And we know that you're very much interested in that. So go on ahead to the homepage of Crowdfire once again and then click on pricing. Let's then click on monthly to see how much you can earn. Let's say you're able to refer a customer who chooses the Plus plan, so that means they would be paying $9.99 a month, and 35% of $9.99 is $3.49, and you're going to be earning that for a whole year every single month, which means with a customer on the Plus plan, you could be making $41.95 in a year. But let's tell you something true, something real about this website. Now, customers here rarely choose the Plus plan because mostly we have medium and large businesses, so let's go ahead and compute for that. So monthly premium plan customers would be paying $49.99 a month, and 35% of $49.99 is $17.49, which means in a year with only one customer, you would expect to make $209.95, which is absolutely insane. And now we're gonna do the last one, and since this is usually what we get, this is the most realistic one that these big businesses would get. This would give you a better view and something better to expect. Now, a VIP customer is supposed to pay $99.99 every month, and 35% of $99.99 is $34.99, which means that in a year with one VIP customer only amongst the hundreds that you're going to be getting, you'd make $419.99 in a year by doing absolutely nothing. Just bringing them onto the website, referring them onto the website, and you're earning this in a year. That's an extra income. That's extra money for you to use and save. No, are you kidding? You're never going to find a place that's going to pay you this much in 1 year and by doing absolutely nothing, as I said. Now that's just crazy. We're going to be teaching you how you can target the audience that's going to avail of the highest type of plan so that we can also get the highest possible earnings. Now you want to click on Join Now, back on the affiliate referral section, and as soon as you click on that, this is where you'd be redirected. You can sign in with a Google, so you, like we mentioned, if you have a Gmail account, then you can use that for this, but if you don't, then you can easily just enter your email over here. Now I am going to choose to sign up with an email, and once you click on continue, this is what's going to happen next. You're going to complete the sign up details, so you have your first name, last name, your email, which should already be there, and then password, then agree to the terms and join the program. As soon as you're signed up, you will right away be redirected in, and you can go ahead and view the marketplace to browse through all of the opportunities that are on here waiting just for you. Just click on Explore Marketplace, and that should take you over here. Now, as you can see, you probably noticed there are so many programs that you can choose from, and it's actually insane. But you probably also noticed that we aren't on Crowdfire's website, but not to worry, you can look them up over here, and as soon as you can find them, click on Join Program. So now you're here, and we want you to click on Join Now. So it says that you've now joined Crowdfire and that you can go on the dashboard, but before that, we have something really exciting to share. Now, if you look at rewards over here, you will see that on top of that 35% that you're already going to be getting, you're getting another 5% on top of that. So 40% in total. Now, that is a huge cut, but this is only possible though if you do it in the way that we taught you. So make sure that you follow everything properly. Once you click on dashboard, you'll be brought to the dashboard of Crowdfire. This is where you'll see everything that you need and the link that you need, and you can easily just copy that because that's your personal and modified link. And now you can go on your Gmail account, create an email, And this is how we're going to get customers. And remember how we mentioned that we've already done the hardest part for you? This is it. We've composed a ready to send email to all of your potential customers, so you don't even need to worry about that. So you can just go ahead, pause this video, copy this email like so. So obviously where it says affiliate link, that's where you're going to insert your affiliate link, and where it says your name, that's where you should input your name. Now, to find out to whom to send this email to, we want you to go on Google and look up top social media marketing companies. We suggest that you choose this result right here, and as you can see, there are over 35,000 firms on here. That's a lot of customers, and they're the perfect customers for Crowdfire. These are big companies that they'll most probably avail of the VIP plan, and I think we can actually guarantee that, which benefits them but also you most of all. Now, to get their email address, just go on visit website, look for their email, which could be at the bottom or top of the page, but in our case we had to go over to find the contact, and as you can see, here's the email, and boom, just copy that email, go back to your Gmail account, paste it on the email that you just made, press send, wait, and then repeat the whole process with 10 and millions of other companies that can be your potential customers. And that is basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.